This is quite a sumptuous corset for an American corset, in that it has the Duchess silk exterior bone. Background fabric is actually like a buff or a peach silk with a ivory lace overlay. So it's quite beautiful. We will be posting photos of the items that we're showing in the talk today on our Patreon account. So this is a lovely 1880s corset and some more corset advertising. And this is a corset box for a Warner's Coraline corset. But corsets often came stored in their original boxes, and then the boxes were also saved because they have such beautiful graphics on them. So this is a Russian corset box. This corset box is from Belgium. This is a box for busks for corsets, because sometimes the busks would need to be replaced, so they would sell busks for them. And this is 2 more French corset boxes as well. So they had all beautiful graphics on them. When I was doing my research for this talk, in the Montgomery Ward catalog, they advertised corsets sold individually or by the dozen, but they also would sell corsets in a box or without the box, because when they shipped corsets in boxes and they shipped them in wooden crates, it would add to the weight and you could put less product in the crate versus a boxed corset. So I didn't know that. I always assumed corsets were sold in their original boxes, but maybe that's also why there's more corsets out there than there are boxes. So.